In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open up the Phantom Wallet. So I'm currently doing this on a mobile device, but if you're on a PC, the steps are exactly the same. Now, once you've done that, you're going to be on the dashboard, and what you're going to want to do is press onto the swap icon. So you can see that's just here. So just go ahead, press onto swap. And what you then want to do is select your tokens from the list. So for the top token, you want to make sure this is set to Solana. And underneath, you want to press onto this and just use the search box to search for Ethereum. So also you can see some boxes underneath, so you can do this through the Solana network, through the Ethereum network, or Polygon. And then from here, you just need to simply choose the type of Ethereum that you want to swap your Solana for. So for example, if we wanted to do wrapped Ethereum on the Solana network, I would simply go ahead and select the token from here. Then what we can do is enter the amount that we want to swap. So for example, if I wanted to swap 30 Solana, it's going to tell you how much Ethereum we're going to get. Now in this case, I don't actually have any Solana, but for yourself, once you've entered this, you're going to see a button at the bottom to proceed with your swap. All you then need to do is follow the steps to swap Solana for Ethereum. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.